If you're someone that's wondering if dollar cost averaging is the perfect strategy to invest in crypto, well, you might be in for a treat because in today's video, the results might shock you. So stay till the end and find out. Most of you that follow my crypto channel know that I started 10K crypto portfolio challenge back in January of 2023. Here we are a year later. Now we're going to look at the results in today's video, and we're going to see how much money we made and how much money we spent out of those $10,000. Transparency is something that I value a lot, especially on this channel. So before I show you this crypto portfolio, I'm going to be very transparent with you guys and say that this portfolio is my public portfolio that I started in 2023. This is not my main portfolio. So with that being said, just know I'm not going to show you any coins that I'm not in, and I'm not going to show you any crypto products that I'm not using. Here we are with the assets of this portfolio, and as we can see here, the current value of this portfolio is $20,126.51. But how much did we actually spend out of the $10,000 to achieve this $20,000? Looking at the spreadsheet, I have recorded every single transaction that I have bought throughout this year. For transparency, here are some of the coins that I have accumulated throughout the year that actually show the dates, the value that I spent, and the average buy of that particular project. So if you're wondering what is the total amount that I spent throughout the year, well, here it is. I have spent $9,175, and I still have $824 that I'm holding in cash. Breaking the numbers down even further, you might ask, why do I have two different spend amounts? As we can see here, $9,175, and on this side, $9,991. Why is this? Well, let me explain. One of the coins absolutely blew up on me, so I had to take $816 of profit. If we scroll down here, Caspa is the coin I'm talking about. My average buy of Caspa was a little bit over a penny, and I have spent only $380, but Caspa pulled a 12x on me, so I had to take some profit out. Looking at the numbers, I have sold 5,000 Caspa in December 9th, basically at the top of Caspa, and cashing out a little bit over $800. That is why I still have $824 in cash. We all know that we cannot time the market at the absolute bottom. So the best strategy that worked for me in 2023 is dollar cost averaging, buying certain projects at certain times and having conviction in those projects that they will actually perform in the next bull market. You might not agree with the projects that I have on this list, but that is not for you to agree with or disagree with. You have to do your own research in certain projects, and these are the projects that I have chosen and that I have put a lot of time in researching and having conviction and believing that these projects can actually blow up in the next bull market. You might also ask, why do I have Bitcoin and Ethereum? Well, throughout the years, I have learned since 2016, I've been in crypto. You have to have Bitcoin and Ethereum in your crypto portfolio. And these are the two coins that I did actually almost perfectly time the bottom. The average price of Bitcoin that I bought here was $17,000. I wish I had bought more. And same thing with Ethereum. I almost perfectly bottom Ethereum as well. Spending only $1,200 for one Ethereum was well worth it. My goal at the beginning of the year was to actually turn this $10,000 into $100,000. You might ask, is this even possible? Or you might even be crazy turning $10,000 into $100,000. I have done this in the past. This is my third bear market, and I have done this in 2018 and in 2021, turning $5,000 into $50,000. So I believe with the choice of the coins that I have here, I will have no issues turning $10,000 into $100,000. Just keep in mind, these are my predictions, these are my thoughts, and this is my research, based on my research. So don't follow me, I am just documenting my journey. And actually, if you want to come back in 2025, we're going to find out, was this even achievable? Going back to the dashboard, I basically doubled this crypto portfolio, spending almost $10,000 and $10,700 in pure profit. If we go down to assets, this is the actual breakdown of how much I'm up on certain projects. BTC, not bad, $2,100 up, 169%. Near protocol was a big one for me as well. Average buy of $1.17, so $1,600 up on that. Ethereum, very well done. You might ask, why do I hold Cardano? Well, I still think Cardano can do somewhat good in this upcoming bull market. Casper was a big surprise for me, especially in this bear market. It 13x'd in this bear market. So think about what Casper can do when the actual bull market comes around. Scrolling down even further, H bar, Dymo or Demo, Mina Protocol, Quant. I actually love Quant. I love Mina and XDC, Pipe Network, ICP, and these down here are very small amounts. So what am I gonna do with the $800 that I still have left in cash? I would actually love to buff up my Flux network. Flux is a project that I absolutely love because it can actually serve as in two narratives, being in the storage narrative and even in some aspects of AI. Crypto markets are narrative driven, so you have to put research into your projects. You cannot just go in and throw money into projects and hoping that they will 10x for you. That is not how it works. Cardano and Bitcoin do not have a blow off top at the same time. So you have to do your research and you have to understand these narratives. So projects like Cardano are in layer one, and let's say a project like AI project, let's say a render, for example, they do not have a blow off top at the same time. They're not in the same narrative. So you have to put that research in before you start investing and throwing your money just into projects. Looking at Bitcoin's chart and BNB's chart, totally opposite. This is exactly what I'm saying. So coming to a platform such as CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you can see the charts that there actually certain coins are going up, certain coins are going down. So this is what I'm talking about. When I actually search for a crypto project, I like to do three things. Does the coin have a good meme behind it? Is it in a good narrative and the use case of that particular project? And does that project have some big news or updates coming in the near future? Perfect example of that is Caspa. When the news came out that Caspa was getting listed on KuCoin Exchange, Caspa absolutely did a 12x. So simply knowing that certain project is having news and announcements coming up can be very, very important in actually taking advantage and taking profit of that certain project. You might not agree with the DCA strategy that I'm using, but believe me when I say that DCA is the only way that you come out on top over a longer period of time. Buying into your project on weekly basis or even monthly basis not only gives you a better entry point, but it actually minimizes the risk of your investment in that certain project. So these are the coins that I'm investing in, and DCA is the strategy that I am absolutely utilizing in order to achieve my goals with this crypto portfolio. And I think I do have the good results after all. That does not mean that you should go in and buy all these coins that I'm investing in. Please do your own research and due diligence before you start throwing your money at cryptocurrencies. That is my strategy. Those are my projects that I'm investing in. You do whatever you like to do with it. But all jokes aside, I would appreciate if you like my content and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be coming with the more crypto content in the future.